Global Super League 2025 today's match number 10 toss and weather update right now. Rangpur Riders, they have won the toss and elected to bat first. Rangpur Riders captain Nurul Hasan Chauhan said, "We will bat first. I think we need to play as we have been playing. We have made 3 chances. The players are hungry for the exciting final match Friday." On the other hand, Tom Bruce, Central Strikes captain, said, "I think the last game was nice. We are proud of the performance we put up the last game. We were rusty in the first 2 games and you can't afford that in a 4-match tournament." We can see the ground staff are sprinting towards the center wickets to cover. It has started to drizzle again. We are step for more delay. Rangpur Riders playing 11 for today's match. Nurul Hasan Chauhan captain, Mahidul Islam Onkon, Ibrahim Jadran, Shumaiya Shorkar, Yasir Ali Chaudhry Rabbi, Saif Hassan, Iftikhar Ahmed, Raqibul Hassan, Harmeet Singh, Kamrul Islam Rabbi and Khalid Ahmed. Central Strikes playing 11, Tom Bruce captain, Josh Clarkson, Will Young, Dean Cleaver, Dean Foxcroft, Curtis Haffey, Jordan Lennox, Matthew Ford, Angush Esquel, Blair Thickner and Toby Findlay. Thank you very much, Rangpur Riders. 3 chances today. Yasir Ali Rabbi, Harmeet Singh and Kamrul Islam Rabbi come in. Kyle Myers, Tabriz Shamsi and Azmatul Omorjai are out. 3 chances, 3 out, 3 in. Next update waiting for this match, and hopefully if you want next information from this channel and from the page, please hit the like button and follow button and subscribe button. Thanks for enjoying this news. Hopefully next time you will back again.